These people just got stuck. These people just got stuck in that washout. Dang. Where's the lake? Got ourselves a nice little boat over here.
Oh, I see it.
Nice little boat going down Kentucky Lake today. Disappeared through the trees. What is that tree?
Oak.
Is that an oak?
I have no idea.
Looks like maybe an oak.
Oak.
Got a fireball in the wild. Tisk tisk. We got ourselves one. Alright. Pretty good sized bass, really. She's a pretty girl. Thank you very much, little fish. Damn, that was quick.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. You got that figured out?
I guess so. Here, watch me do it.
Alright.
It's like, not really.
Well, you know you can
I
spin
did
that.
it
That's
once,
good.
though.
Alright.
But like earlier, the whole thing started unraveling on its own. Anyway. Now, see you now.
Hold on. Bobby won. Oh shit. Easy, buddy. Easy. Easy, old girl. I was having the fight of my life for a few seconds there. Oh man, I was on. I was pulling in a fucking marlin.
Yeah, I catch them all the time.
Oh man, come on. I'm about to go out there and get it off. Damn, I was, man, did you hear my drag? I gotta set her back.
Yeah.
This is bigger than the fish I'm used to. Woo!
It's warm today.
Well, I thought I had a fish. Turned out I got hung on a log. For about 4 seconds, I was having the fight of my life. But I'm hung up on this log, but it's right offshore. I got some lake shoes, and I'm tired of losing lures and baits to this here body of water. So I'm gonna go in and get it unhung, and we'll see how that goes. Right?
Right.
All right, here we go. Yeah, I just got this through the hole so far. You see?
Goodness.
You see? Okay.
Okay.
Then I'll put it back through the hole.
Back to the hole.
See that? Then, see like that? Good. There. Good. And then go. Pull that. See that?
Yeah. Not bad.
Polymer, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? Hold that.
Hold what?
The tag in. Keep your beaches fishing line free. Okay. Let's just see. I think it might be the bait. They might just be biting on this. You know?
Yeah.
You want to take a break? Because they're not biting what you're throwing. We're about to eat. All right, we got a new bait. on Donner's rig. And we're about to find out. We're about to find out if it's gonna catch a fish. Oh, here's our little hangout. We're about to set a blanket up and everything. It's gonna be so nice. It's gonna be so nice. This is, again, where we came last time, but I'm just showing y'all the beauty of Kentucky Lake. By the way, I burnt the crap out of myself. Oh, voila. And we'll just nestle up in here like so, you know?
I gotta take these shoes off. I'm burning up. It's hot over there.
Now we're nestled.
Sheesh, I should get in the water before it was hot.
We could get in the water. We brought the Subway. Got a pretty good sized boat right here for some recreation. This man's serious about his recreation. Nice boat. The boats are out.
See that little bitty one?
Yeah, I know. The little bitty one's getting it. He's bouncing. Pow, 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 pow. Oh.
It might not even be that small. It's more small than that one.
Compared to this big fella. Man, let me on your boat, guy. That's nice. I'd live there. You know, there's not a lot to do in life but sit by a body of water somewhere.
Right.
And there's a lot of things you can make yourself think that there is to do out there, but the only necessary one is to sit by
the water somewhere.
yeah, to sit by a body of water somewhere. As you can see, there's the proof.
It's in the photo.
Oh, Don.
Yeah. Ain't that beautiful?
Ain't that America?
You and me. Look at Davu out there fishing. Oh, hey, Davu.
Hey, Don.
Hey. Did you catch anything? What happened? Oh.
I don't know. Like,
Poor Davu's fishing pole. Yeah. Yeah. There was some high quality boat traffic a minute ago.
so I've lost a total of like three or four lures today. All my favorite jig heads.
What you gonna do?
Accept it and move on.
R.
Arr, matey.
It's the price you pay for the. I don't know.
It's the price you pay for the experience.
Experience. A magic wand.
Ooh.
Look at my pinky toes. Look at a beaver chew on that.
Yeah.
Oh. Here's a little seashell.
Yeah.
Huh?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Little seashell, baby.
Well, I might throw my pole in the water. I dropped the seashell. I don't want to throw my pole in the water. I said I was going to drop my pole in the water.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
We saw a snake.
We saw a snake.
Oh, and then we saw like this kid like just pull his pants down and start pissing everywhere. That's why I can't hang out in crowds.
Yeah. Okay. There's where we are.
Just started pissing everywhere.
Yeah.
His dad was like, whatever.
Yeah. He was like waiting for him to finish up.
He's like, I'm gonna tie my dog next to your dog so your dogs can be barking. When they weren't barking this whole time until I decided, oh, yeah, I'm not gonna try to go anywhere else so your dogs aren't fucking mad about shit. He's like, I'm just gonna go here anyway. And then while we're at it, let's let my kid whip his dick out and piss everywhere. Come on, man. People. People. And there's facilities. There's facilities. Is that recording? It's not like there's not facilities. Quick! Why are you doing that? Here. Are you being a bully right now? Oh! You have. Damn. That pontoon is going.
Dang.
Yeah.
They're jamming too.
Somebody listen to death metal? Here comes these guys. Like, we got us a little red and white boat. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop.
Boop, boop, boop.
We got us a little red and white boat. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. All right, 1, 2, 3. We got us a little red and white boat. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah.
Now what? How does it go after that? It's going down the lake shore front. Boop, boop, boop.
Uh-oh.
Boop, boop, boop.
Oh.
Lake shore front.
Lake shore front. It's going to trailer up.
Bird.
Bird. Bird. This pontoon is not going this fast.
No.
Oh, I thought you were ready to pay an army. You passed out? There's a little bird. Sure.
Is it a mockingbird?
Might be. It's a wackable wackable. Wackado wackabop.
All right, I'm gonna go catch a fish.
Get yourself a fish. Come on now. Don't let me down. No, you could never.
Yeah, I know. It's just a song. You know that song.
Catch a fish,
You guys
Donnie.
know that song? I've been making sure it's right. Okay. Where did it go?
How'd you even do that? No. You did it?
The ball is probably going to go in the water.
I'll get it.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
We're gonna do some Procodema. Okay.
I guess. My glasses feel like they're crooked.
They look beautiful.
But like, my glasses feel right on my ears. Like, so if I don't hit the ball, how do we do this? Like this?
Yeah. Houseboat. Look at that. Houseboat. Living the dream. Houseboat. Living the dream. Back to Procodema.
That's Procodema.
Back this way. Oh, right here, okay. Procodema.
Procodema.
Hand it back and forth like this. Oh, come on.
Oh my God.
Okay, Don.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh. Wow. That's cool.
I just eat glass. And I found these 3 pieces. Just right in a row. Is it on?
Yeah. All right, come on, let's hit this.
See?
Nice.
3 of them are in a row.
Very nice.
All right.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Almost got it too.
That's good. There you have it.
There you have it, the Crocodema.
Crocodema. This is a non-sponsored advertisement.
Sport design.
Promotion, whatever. By the way, we are at Moss Creek, around the corner. We walked from Moss Creek around the corner like we usually do, like we've explained before. If you want to check those videos out, go ahead. There's Hillman's Ferry right here. And this is Kentucky Lake. There's a turtle. Might be a stick. Might be a stick. Anyway.
There's Donu.
There's Donu. Woo!
Yes.
And that's where we hung out today. It's a beautiful day. Once again, at the beautiful Land Between the Lakes National Recreation Area. Okay, there was just like a beaver. There it is.
There it goes. Look at it. What is that?
I have no idea. I think it was a
Over there and
beaver.
see it better, but I don't got my shoes on.
Forgive the shakiness, I'm super zoomed in. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. It went back under. I'm gonna go see. We're gonna see if we can check it out. There it is. So look at this. Yeah, that's amazing though. Like you can really just stare at the sun right now. Look at this view.
There's a red on the water.
Yeah, amazing. Oh.
I would get my foot wet over here.
Beaver's just munching some wood. That beaver's just munching some wood, Don. He's just doing beaver stuff. Yeah. Oh, he got him coming out of the water and everything.
That's great. I'm glad because I missed it.
Yeah.
Because I would be barefoot when a beaver just goes swimming by for the first time.
He's just chilling over there. He's not even worried about us now.
Look. Oh man, is he gonna take that piece of wood? Oh my God, how cute! Oh, how cute! Oh my God.
That's a big old beaver.
He's so cool. He is munching down on that piece of twig he got.
And that beaver's munching wood. What a perfect evening. That's... Heck yeah.
I wonder what this is.
A seed, I bet.
Yeah, we should plant it.
Okay.
Wonder what it is.
Some kind of seed.
Some alien thing,
Hold it up
you know.
in the lens. Oh,
What?
nothing. Oh.
Oh!
There's Donnie.
Alright.
Well, we hung out here and fished here for a minute. Soon the water will be warm enough and we'll be able to swim and stuff. But for now, we're just fishing and chilling by the water. But I guess we're about to get out of here and walk back to our car, which is up that way. Where all these people are still.
Ask them if they can see how purple the water is.
Can you all see how purple the water is?
Leave it in the comments.
Yeah. People getting tubed back to the boat ramp. All right, we're about to walk out of here. We're packed up and everything, so here we go.
We got our watches.
The beaver. What's that? Done. Some careless assholes left all their booze bottles on the beach, right where everybody likes to swim.
That is crazy.
And this is a friendly reminder, don't be these people.
Please.
Don't be these people. Low-life pieces of shit. They made it back to the car. We're out of here.
My tires is better get her on home. I need to put air in my tire.
Well, everybody, hope y'all enjoyed this episode of the Davu and Donu Show.
I'm Donu.
That's Donu.
And that's Davu.
I'm Davu. Tune in next week for another episode of the Davu and Donu Show. Who knows what we'll get into next?
There's no telling where
There's
we'll
no.
go. Now where do I go? Right here?
Yeah.
This is crazy. Oh yeah.
Oh
Oh
you
yeah.
did it. You did good.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, baby. Anyways. Next time, or tune in next week if you like what you saw. We usually post Mondays at around 11. So, I was gonna say something. What was
it
it?
inspirational?
It could have been,
Educational?
no.
No.
Oh, and remember, we're your source for everything. Wait, remember, we're your unofficial source for everything LBL.
That's right.
And remember, we're your unofficial source for everything Land Between the Lakes, LBL. Is that good?
Yeah.
And remember, we're your unofficial source for everything LBL. Okay, we've been rehearsing. I can't see. We've been rehearsing these lines for you, me and Tommy.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. And remember, we're your unofficial source for everything LBL.
Hey, hold on, roll the window up.
Roll that window up so we can get this audio
All
rolling.
right, ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And remember, we're your unofficial source for everything LBL. Huh? I think so.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
And remember, we're your unofficial source for everything LBL. As we drive past the North Welcome Station, there's Smokey. Hey, stay firewise, respect it. But then we worked even harder. And we came up with this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And remember, we're your unofficial source for everything LBL. So, what y'all think? 1, 2, 3. And remember, we're your unofficial source for everything LBL. Hit him with the LBL one more time. LBL. Yeah. Holler at us, National Recreation Centers.
Yeah.
If you need us to give you a little jig.
We got jingles.
We got jingles. Everything LBL. But yet we stepped that up even farther.
We've been practicing.
Yeah. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And remember.